Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to find someone's phone number on Facebook. So let's begin the video. Open Facebook and go to their profile post. Search for the person's profile by typing their name in the search bar. Click or tap on their profile to view their details. Go to the About section. Once you're on their profile, scroll down and tap on About section. This is where Facebook users can share personal information, including their contact details. Look for contact information in the About section. Here, if the person has shared their phone number publicly or with friends, it will appear under Contact Info. If the phone number isn't visible, it could be because the person has set their privacy settings to limit who can see their contact information. In that case, the phone number won't be accessible unless you are in their chosen audience. Remember, even if you do find someone's phone number, it's important to respect their privacy and only use it for appropriate reasons. And that's it. Now you know how to check if someone's phone number is available on Facebook. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.